right, last part. We're deciding whether we should estimate or give the exact answer. Again, estimate is giving you about, or exact is exactly how much you need. So we're looking at Jared, who has 98 oranges, and he's packing them into 4 crates. How many oranges does he have left over? So if we're looking at this being oranges, and we're saying there's 4 different crates. We know total there's 98. We're figuring out how many he has left. So we're going to actually take 98 and we're going to divide that by 4. 4 can go into 9 2 times. 4 times 2 is 8. And I have, 1 left over. I bring my 8 down. 4 can go into 8 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. When I subtract, I have 2. So that means each of these crates hold 24 oranges. So if I add all these together, I'm going to get 96, which means I have 2 left over. Okay? This was exact. This is me having to do multi-steps of dividing, finding the remainder, and actually figuring out the exact answer, okay? So that shows you how much he has left over. Now in this case, it says there are 147 erasers, 215 pencils, and 327 pens in a stationery shop. About how many erasers, pencils, and pens are there together? So that about is going to tell me already that I'm going to estimate. So if I'm estimating, I'm going to go ahead and round. So I'm going to make 147. I'm going to make that 150. On a number line, 147 is closer to 150 than it is to 100. Okay, 215, I'm going to go ahead and make that 200. And then 327, I'm going to make that 300. Okay, so if I were to add 3, 4, 5, 6, I would say about 650. Now, you could have done front end estimation, which would have given you 100, 200, and 300. And if you added those together, 300, 400, 500, 600 would have given you about 600. Okay. So again, it's kind of like a rough estimate. Okay. So you want to figure out about how many you would need. Okay. All right. There will be challenge problems on the test. One of these would be like drawing your own area model. So you have 18 times 6. Okay. You're going to break that 10. So you know it goes 10 times the 6 and 8 times the 6. So 60 and 48. And if you're looking at that, it would be 108. Okay. You want to make sure you're breaking it down. Again, drawing that area model, breaking that into 10. So that's 70 and 4. And here's 8. So 70 times 8 goes inside. 4 times 8 goes here. See if you can solve that. Okay. Take your time on that one. All right. This would be what you want to make sure you know how to do. All right. I am looking forward to seeing how you do on your test tomorrow. Please make sure to watch these videos as often as you need to. Write along, practice along. Your test is going to look very similar.